I am making two types of cucumber sandwiches, one with dill and one with mint. So I'm going to chop them now. I've just used one sprig of dill and one sprig of mint. I will be using a little lime juice. I will be slicing these cucumbers. They're around 70 grams each for the sandwich. After slicing the cucumbers, I will be placing this on a kitchen towel so that whatever moisture or water is in the cucumber dries a bit before adding it to my bread slices. I will be grating this cucumber for the sandwich. I'm just trying to remove the water from the grated cucumber. As you can see, there's a lot of water that's left it already. So I'll let it sit like this for another 10 minutes before using it in my recipe. Since I'm making two types of cucumber sandwiches, one with sliced cucumber and one with grated cucumber, I am dividing the cheese filling into two different bowls. Here I've used a tablespoon and a half of whipped cream cheese. You can also use regular cream cheese. I've just used this cream cheese because it's more spreadable, and I will be using a tablespoon of butter as well. I'm adding in each of my bowls, and now I will just mix everything. I'm done mixing the whipped cream cheese and butter. Now I'm just adding in about half a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I'll mix that as well. Now to one bowl I will add in my chopped dill, and to the other bowl I'll add in my chopped mint leaves. If you want, you can also add chopped green chilies, and I'll add in a drop of lime juice to my mint sandwich and give it a good mix. I've used unsalted butter for this recipe. The cream cheese mixture is ready for the sandwiches. I will be cutting the edges of these bread slices. With a serrated bread knife, I'm cutting the edges of two slices together for a sandwich. And I will be doing that for the rest of the bread slices. I grated one cucumber which was around 300 grams, and it left a lot of water, as you can see, and this is around 1 tablespoon of grated cucumber after it left its water. I'm adding this grated cucumber to my cream cheese which has dill in it. After adding the grated cucumber, give it a good mix and taste for the seasoning. You can also add chili flakes to this. These spreads are ready to use for the sandwiches, so let's move on. I will butter all these bread slices before applying my spread. If you want, you can add a little salt to the whipped cream mixture. I've just completed buttering the bread. Now I'll start adding the cream cheese spread on the bread slices. This is the mint leaves. Now I will apply the grated cucumber cheese spread onto the bread slices. After spreading the grated cucumber cheese spread, I'll just cover the sandwiches. These grated cucumber cheese sandwiches are ready. Now what I like to do is I like to let it set it in the fridge. Mint leaf cream cheese sandwiches, I'll just spread the cucumber slices. I've just finished spreading the cucumber slices. Now I'll just add some pepper powder, sprinkle some salt. These sandwiches are ready to be placed in the fridge. I will let them stay in the fridge for half an hour till they all set before cutting them into halves, because the butter and the cream cheese will solidify a bit in the fridge and it will be easy for me to give a clean cut. I've placed these sandwiches now on a plate. I will cover it and then place it in my fridge for these sandwiches to cool down before cutting them into halves. These sandwiches were in the fridge. I will start cutting them into halves. The butter and the cream cheese has set. Now either you can cut it this way, but because my sandwich is rectangular, I'll just cut it into this way. Cucumber sandwiches are ready to serve. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!